Did you know that according to the National Association of Home Builders, more than 60% of homeowners in San Antonio have experienced a renovation delay? As a homeowner in San Antonio, you're probably no stranger to the prospect of renovating your home. It's an exciting time filled with promise and possibilities. But let's be real, it can also be a daunting task, especially if you're new to the world of home renovation. That's why it is critical to be aware of the potential pitfalls that can derail your project and leave you with a half-finished home mess on your hand. Renovating your home is exciting, but it can quickly become overwhelming if you're not approaching it with caution. In San Antonio, where homes, styles, and trends are often constantly evolving, it is important to plan wisely to avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive into the key mistakes you should avoid to ensure your renovation adds value to your home and doesn't turn into a money pit. In San Antonio, each neighborhood has its own unique charm and buyer preferences. A home renovation that works in one area might not yield the same results somewhere else. For example, upgrading a modern, sleek look might not resonate with buyers in more traditional areas like Alamo Heights. Do your homework and consider the neighborhood's market trends before deciding on a design or renovating scope. It's easy to get caught up in designing the space that reflects your unique personality and taste, but remember, you're not the only one that's going to live in the home forever. Over personalizing renovations like extravagant wallpaper, custom finishes can turn off potential buyers when it's time to sell. Stick to neutral designs and consider what appeals to a broader scope of San Antonio home buyers. Do-it-yourself renovations might seem cost effective, but cutting corners on professional help can lead to costly mistakes. San Antonio homes, especially the older ones, often have hidden issues like outdated wiring or plumbing. A professional contractor or inspector can spot these potential hazards before they become a major problem. With San Antonio's scorching summers, energy efficient upgrades can be a big selling point. Overlooking energy efficient windows, installations, or HVAC systems could mean a higher utility bills for you and potential buyers. These improvements can pay off over time and make your home more attractive in a competitive real estate market. San Antonio has specific building codes and permits requirements that must be adhered to during renovations. Failing to obtain the necessary permits or ignoring local regulations can lead to hefty fines or complications when you're selling your home. Always check with the city or your contractor to ensure everything's up to code. Underestimating the cost of renovations is one of the most common mistakes homeowners make. Unexpected issues like foundation problems, HVAC systems, or outdated systems can quickly blow up your budget. Be sure to set aside an extra around 10 to 20% of your total budget for unexpected expenses, especially if you're dealing with older homes in historic areas like the King Williams or Monte Vista. In San Antonio, outdoor living is a big deal. Neglecting your outdoor space during a renovation is a missed opportunity. A well-designed patio, deck, or landscaping can significantly boost your home's curb appeal and resale value. While it might be tempting to cut costs by opting for a cheaper material, low quality finishes and fixtures will show wear and tear quickly. Not only will you end up paying more for repairs in the long run, but potential buyers will also notice these flaws. Investing in durable quality materials can withstand San Antonio's climate and add lasting value to your home. Rushing through renovations often leads to mistake. Whether you're trying to beat the Texas summer heat or prepping for a holiday gathering, take your time to ensure each step is done right. A poorly executed renovation can turn buyers away and diminish the value of your home. One of the biggest mistakes home buyers make is jumping into a renovation project without doing their due diligence. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of creating your dream home, but it is essential to take a step back and consider the realities of the project. From budgeting to permits, timelines to contractors, there's countless details to keep track of, and overlooking even one can have disastrous consequences. Avoiding these common home renovation mistakes can help ensure your San Antonio home is both beautiful and functional and increase in value. Whether you're renovating for yourself or preparing for a sale, being mindful of these pitfalls will save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can avoid the most common pitfalls and ensure a smooth, stress-free renovation experience. Now that you know the common renovation mistakes to avoid, from budgeting blunders to design pitfalls, let's talk about the next critical step: pricing your home. Did you know that there's an art of finding the perfect price point? Setting the right price is key to attracting buyers and sealing the deal quickly. In this video, we'll reveal the expert San Antonio selling tactics and share 3 strategies to help sell your home successfully. Click here to watch now.